What's going on, Wix Nation? MPS here from Wix Training Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to sell a digital product online using Wix. Now, before we dive into this video, I would first like to say that this video was inspired by the following question from a viewer. I am now taking viewer questions and answering them in the form of videos, especially to the more popular questions. Our question today comes from Tiller, and I'll throw the question on screen. Is there a way I can sell a PDF file without using Sellfy? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in today's video. And before we jump into the content, if you're not already part of Wix Nation, I would strongly encourage you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn those bell notifications on so you never miss any Wix training content. And I hope you're staying healthy out there. Let's jump in. Okay, so to sell a digital product on your Wix website, what you need to do is you need to first go to Add Apps, and then the Wix App Market will then go ahead and load up. And you can see the Wix App Market is now completely redesigned. This is literally brand new as of last night. And what you're going to do is you're going to type into the search store, and you're going to see Wix stores as an option. You're going to click it, and then you are going to click add to site. Once you add it to the site, what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead, it's going to work its Wix magic, and it's going to add Wix stores to your site. And the reason we're using Wix stores is because not only can you sell physical inventory using Wix stores, but a lot of people don't know that you can actually sell digital products. And essentially what that means is when someone goes to purchase the product, just like they would traditionally with a physical product, they'll be getting a download of the digital file rather than something shipped to them in the mail or picked up in store, whatever that may look like or consist of, depending on your e-commerce experience. So now once we're in here, you could go into settings, and when we click settings, it'll open the store settings, and this is where you can manage all of the settings of your store. What collection is shown on what pages, what the layout of that page looks like, the settings, so does it show products names, load more buttons, pagination, the design, so all the fonts, the font colors, the text size, all that good stuff. Filters, if you want to add filters so it makes seamless filtering experience. People can easily find stuff targeted to their specific liking. Sorting, same thing as filters. And then you can manage your quick view so that when you hover over a particular item, it's what that quick view looks like in the e-commerce experience. You can design the fonts, the colors, the sizes, all that good stuff in there. And then there's manage. And this is where we're going to spend our time today. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and you'll click manage store. You can either access this manage store from the settings here, like we clicked on, or by going to manage products and clicking that button. And you'll click manage store, and that's going to open up our Wix dashboard, specifically in our Wix stores app. And if we go over here to store products, that's where we're going to be. And we're in our product section. Now, what you will see is you'll see a list of pre-existing products that are just defaults from Wix. You can come through here, you can select all, and you can delete these if you want. And then you would press delete just like that. There's a quick and easy way to do it. Now, what you need to do is you need to add a new product. To do this, you'll add new product, and here's the key. You'll see you can offer a physical product or a digital file. In the case of selling a PDF, an ebook, a video, a digital album, music, although there is a Wix music app, any pieces of digital media that you're going to be selling, digital files, you would choose digital file. And then you'll click digital file. And then what you'll do is you'll title the product, you'll upload the actual physical file that you're selling, so that way when they purchase it, they'll be able to download and access that file. You'll come down here, you'll enter the file name or the title of the product name. You can add a ribbon to it if you want. The price of the product, add a product description. You can add some promo videos, some product images if you want to give maybe like a teaser trailer of what that digital file or product is going to look like in the form of a video or picture, whatever that may be, you can throw there. If you wanted to do inventory, typically with digital files, you're not going to really have to track inventory like you would with physical products in physical locations. But if you did want to limit inventory at a certain number of like X number of digital files, it's a limited exclusive drop, you can do that, and you would press track inventory and you would write in your inventory number there. And then here's the other cool part with adding your product. You can create a coupon straight for their product right here. You can add it to a collection. You can send an email campaign about this product. You can share it. You can edit the SEO settings to make it more SEO friendly for Google. You can choose a tax group if you've got a particular tax grouping for a digital product, and you can set your tax settings in your dashboard settings and main business settings of your site. And then you would press save, and that's it. And then essentially what would happen is someone would go through here just like they would with a normal store. They would click on the product, go through the checkout experience, purchase it, and then it'll be there for them to download and access immediately. And they will also get a confirmation email of their purchase as well, so that way they can go back, access it, purchase it. And then where they can also access it is if they go, and we go into preview mode here, we click on this, and they can go to My Orders right here. So when you add Wix stores, it'll add a Wix members area, and you can see you can go to My Orders. And there's not going to be anything in My Orders right now because we didn't order anything, but this will display their order. So they'll be able to view all their orders. They can add their wallet, so they can add their card information, so that way it's stored for the next time, so that way it's quicker and easier to purchase, and everything can be managed and reviewed right here in their account, so that way it's seamless and they have no trouble accessing that digital file. And there you have it. That's how you sell digital products, digital files on Wix. If you enjoyed this video, please drop a like down below. And if you have any other questions regarding this process, comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed the video. And lastly, I want you and we want you in Wix Nation. And the easiest, quickest way to do that is to hit that subscribe button and turn those bell notifications on. We are a thriving community here. In fact, the largest global Wix training community, and we want you to be part of that. I'm super excited. I know everyone here, you can see that people interact. They ask questions, just like I posted on the screen there at the start that sprouted this video. We're interactive. We're helping each other out. And like I said, the quickest way to be a part of that, to continue thriving together, is hitting that subscribe button, turning those bell notifications on so you don't miss any content and you get to be part of this amazing community and engage with the content. And I appreciate you for that, and I'm excited to see you here more often in the community. Thank you again for watching, and I know I'll catch you on our next one.